Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the Vintage Coach Large Bridle Satchel, style number 6702. This bag was made in Italy in 1998, and as you can see, it's in the color black. So this is a shoulder bag. It comes with a shoulder strap here, as you can see, and it comes with this little closure here. You just push this button here. I'm not sure what this closure is called, but you just push this button and then it releases, and then it pops back in place if you want to close the closure. So obviously here's what the front of the bag looks like. Here's what the sides look like, and the strap attaches directly onto the side of the bag with this hardware piece, so the strap is not adjustable on this bag. And then here's the back of the bag. And then I'll open it and show you the interior. So this bag is lined. It's got the Coach cartouche lining on it. I'll try to show you what it looks like up close. As you can see, it has the Coach cartouche right there on the lining. And then it's got a back zip pocket as well. So here's the pocket on this bag. And then it's also, of course, got the Coach Creed right here. Here it is up close. You can see that the bag is authentic. So that is the Large Bridle Satchel, style number 6702, and this bag is in really nice condition, and it is available now in our online store, so if anyone wanted to check it out, I will leave the link below. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.